YTF long live,
long live, long live,
YTF long live,
long live, long live,
YTF long live,
long live, long live.
Sessions langsung bisa juice, mango juice, and baking ini bread. About media dinner, tini chung sanam chungo, tini bo damsura, YTF and all North District President, tini District Vice President, tini Sub-General Chairman damsura ne ILC Chairman, even though tini damsura PSC ni in charge, Dr. Dipankar sir, bobo tini jechung mandui bagbani, obono boni permission nai no, chung tini YTF ni foundation deo, tini hospital ni patients ra ono chung sweets distribute kya. Thank you.
अच्छा त्रे थे कौ के तिनी फाउंडेशन देओ बुबाग्रानी मेसेज कुमारी मिचो
Bubagrani message, that message is always youth supposed to strong, have to be strong for the next generation. Youth strong tongkai, chini generation strong tongai. Tabuk naimano chini Dr. Salvo, he is very young. He look like young, and he's like one of the best doctor. Our entire Damsura, he's looking after all the Damsura Longkai area. So like that, youth strong tong hai, chini health bo strong tong hai, joto society was strong tong.